Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to draw a beautiful stone sculpture using soft charcoal and eraser. I have used compressed charcoal sticks of Camel brand Mono Zero eraser and mechanical eraser. You can use any eraser that works best for you. If you're new to compressed charcoal, here's a little introduction about it. Compressed charcoal is both smooth and brittle and leaves dust when applied to paper. I have also used blending stumps. And I have also used white gel pen for highlights here and there. So without much further ado, let's get started. So I work with the shadows first. I outline the whole figure using the compressed charcoal stick. Make sure that you don't think about the outlines as outlines, think about them as edges. The edge of the object could be a highlight, in which case you wouldn't want a dark outline. The darkest part is where the shadow is, and it should look solid black. Keep noticing the darker and lighter parts. Where the light hits the object is where you should leave blank till last. Now take a soft tissue and wipe down your entire drawing. This gives you a nice light gray coverage. Now emphasize the light areas using eraser. I used Mono Zero eraser for detailing. Using a mechanical eraser or a kneaded eraser for pulling out on larger areas would be a good idea. Make sure you now have the nice range of grays in your drawing. Look for highlights using white gel pen. I personally like charcoal as a medium of drawing as it allows me to develop rich tonal values. I would suggest you to experiment with various types of charcoal to find out what works best for you. This medium is both challenging and forgiving at the same time. I suggest you to take a step back from your work every so often, as keeping your face close to the page makes it hard to see whether your details come together cohesively. Once your drawing is complete, you can use a fixative spray to ensure that the charcoal doesn't move around. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed seeing charcoal in a fresh way. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss interesting art videos in the future. Thanks for watching.